Hi, I'm Krista from Heinz Brothers Garden Center in St. Charles, Illinois, and today we're going to show you how to repot a rabbitfoot fern into a container using our Costa Maine indoor houseplant for soil. And we will also be showing you how to do a terracotta watering spike, since ferns do like it a little bit more of a moist soil, and how to insert these and then water throughout the rest of the time. So we will go ahead and start repotting. We're going to squeeze the bottom of our container. I picked a rabbit foot fern because I like the funky little roots that are coming off the side. We're going to pull up. We'll set our pot down. Use our soil scoop to get soil in here. I picked a pot that was about 1.5 inches bigger and a little deeper. And I liked his feet, so we're going to let those hang off the ends. And we will fill in and around the whole outside edge of the container, gently pushing down just a little bit to fill in the void. So now that we have our plant repotted, we're going to go ahead and insert our clay terracotta spike. We've pre-soaked it so it allows the water to go through the terracotta and into the soil to keep that saturated. And that's why we picked a fern to trial this on, because ferns like a nice moist soil. And we will go ahead and insert the clay spike into the pot. You kind of have to turn it just a little bit to get it pushed down into the base, and you'll have about 1 inch or 2 rising up. The next thing that I like to do is water the soil around where your clay spike is going. That'll help saturate the soil enough to draw the moisture from the clay spike. And after that, you can pick whichever wine bottle that you like. I have just a little bit of water in here. You will tip your wine bottle in, and you'll be able to see your water level go down. So when the water is completely out, take the wine bottle out, fill it up with water, insert back in, and you're good to water without a whole lot of hassle. And we have repotted our rabbitfoot fern.